Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the US30 Scalping Expert Advisor for MT4 and MT5, and this is a high frequency scalper that is built specifically for the Dow Jones on the 5-minute time frame. The seller promises quick short-term profits with tight risk control, but let's dive deep into it and see what they are actually claiming, and also compare it with our own tests and backtesting results and all of that. So ensure you watch to the end of this video so that you can get the whole information. Before we dive into today's expert advice, so we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can download it for free by using the link in the description below. So ensure you check it out. As for the US30 Scalping Expert Advisor, it uses an advanced algorithm, and it uses algorithm to capture fast momentum bursts on the US30 index. It works on the 5-minute time frame, and it focuses on very short-term opportunities. And also, it has built-in spread protection to avoid bad fills. It supports both fixed and dynamic lot sizing, and it trades both directions, both buy and sell directions. It is designed for volatile index conditions, but it's built specifically for the Dow Jones, actually the US30. But volatile indices can also work with this expert advisor, like the US100 or the S&P 500. And also they show backtests with a profit factor of 4.8, win rate over 70%, and a very controlled drawdown of 3%. This is what they show from their own backtest of 1 year 2023 to 2024. And they claim that it's reliable for daily scalping. They claim that this is reliable for daily scalping, and also they say it's prop firm friendly and delivers consistent results when used on low spread brokers and ECN accounts. They actually recommend ECN accounts. On paper, it looks like a clean, fast moving US30 robot that many index traders have been waiting for. Yeah, on the futures aspect, the setup is straightforward. Just drop it on the US30 on the 5-minute time frame, pick fixed or dynamic lots, and set the magic number. The marketing highlights include the strict spread filter, the fast execution logic, support for tiny lot sizes, and how it's optimized specifically for the Dow Jones. They emphasize low minimum deposit and that it works on most brokers if you follow the spread rules. They also recommend you ECN accounts or other accounts with low spreads. That's it from the developer Yuri Yazni. This expert advisor was published in June 2024. Currently, as of the time of making this video, we are currently in May 2026, and there's no review here, there's no rating on this expert advisor, and we just have one version. There has not been updates or anything like that of such on this expert advisor. So these are the things you put into consideration when getting this. It goes for 200 USD, and for an expert advisor that doesn't have much support from the developer, as we have seen, with less reviews and less updates, these are things you should actually keep in mind when purchasing this US30 Scalping Expert Advisor. I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on this expert advisor, and I tested it with default fixed 0.01 lots from April 2025 to April 2026 on a $10,000 account, and I used the every tick modeling. The equity curve is a slow, painful downward grind. It ended roughly $88 in the red. The profit factor is just only 0.36 and almost 950 trades. So it's about 947 trades if I'm being very specific. And the win rate was poor, especially on the long side. We are looking at just 28% win rate. So that is really poor on the aspect of this expert advisor. Mind you, the inputs that I used are the defaults that came with the expert advisor. I didn't change anything. I used as it came, with the lot selection being the fixed lot, and you can see this is all that I used for this expert advisor. And comparing this my results to the seller's optimized result with profit factor of 4.8 and decent wins and thousands in profits in the space of 1 year, we can see that the default tells a completely different story from what the developer is showcasing on his results, on the backtesting results of 1 year, 2023 to 2024. The features that actually matter are the zero spread filter and sticking to tiny fixed lots. So I used the 0.01 on my test, and this is the results it gave me compared to the developer's wins which he portrays and claims. Honestly, the thing is, US30 on 5 minutes is noisy. In live trading, even small slippage and normal spreads will destroy the edge. It clearly got tuned to specific market conditions and falls apart in normal ranging or low volatility periods. My verdict for this expert advisor is simple. It's a typical high frequency scalper that looks promising in cherry picked backtest but bleeds money in real conditions. As you can see, nuances is that it's extremely dependent on raw spread ECN brokers. High trade volume leads to death by 1,000 cuts, massive call fitting risk, and no real protection against new news events. You can see all of that in the inputs. There are no advanced settings and news filters and prop firm rules and additional things to help this expert advisor stand out. So it's just a basic EA. From my point of view, I'll say it's for very experienced US30 scalpers with top tier brokers and a VPS who love constantly monitoring and optimizing, and who should avoid this expert advisor. I'll say almost everyone else should avoid it. Beginners should avoid it, prop firm traders should avoid it, anyone with near zero spreads or people who want set and forget systems, you should probably avoid this expert advisor and look elsewhere. Actually, we have lots of expert advisors like this which we've reviewed over the past couple of weeks, so ensure you check them out. If this honest review helped you, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads. Drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.